Hello, my name is Tina from Victoria Designs, and as you know, or maybe not, we already have a Winter Fairies kit and a Spring Fairies kit. And today I have for you guessed it, the Summer Fairies kit. The colors in this kit are super happy. With these printables, Francesca from the YouTube channel Junk Journal Joy made a tutorial for a junk journal with a curved spine. And as always, you can use totally different papers and printables to make this craft project as well. And of course, you can use a printable from the Summer Fairies kit to make tons of other crafts as well. This is just one really nice idea. I am sure you have many more. Francesca will show you how she made the whole project, and after that there's a complete flip through of the journal. If you'd like to see more of Francesca's beautiful crafts and tutorials, please go check out her channel, the link is below. And if you'd like to make this project or any other project with the printables of our Summer Fairies kit, our beautiful Summer Fairies kit, you can check out more information about that kit in the link below as well. And now here's Francesca. Enjoy!
Hi everyone, I'm Francesca from Journal Joy. Today I want to share with you how to create a curved spine junk journal. I use some recycled packaging and the latest digital kit from Victoria Design. The link is in the description box of this video. I have prepared 6 signatures with 4 pages. And this is the template for the binding. It's a piece of cardboard from a box. And you can see the measurements on the screen and also in the description box. Use some glue, for example Fabri-Tac or Flash Bond, to add this template to a piece of fabric that you like. Then you can make the holes in every signature, like I'm doing right now, with a punch. And then you can make the holes also on the template, where the lines met. And now for the binding we can start from the last signature and use a cotton thread with a needle. And here you can see the scheme for the binding. cut the thread and tie a knot. And repeat for every signatures. Now our block of pages are done and it's time to make the cover. For the spine we can use the paper roll from the paper towel. Press it gently and then cut at the same height of your block pages. Now cut in half and place it on the spine. And mark with a pencil where the spine has to finish. And now you can cut it. Now prepare two cardboard from recycled boxes. The measurements are on the screen and in the description box. And now use some masking tape to put everything together. Now prepare a piece of fabric that you like for the cover and two pieces for the spine, for the inside of the spine. You can also add some cheesecloth on the spine. This is helpful to hold everything together and to add some beauty on the cover. And now start from the spine and add the fabric onto the cover. Before add the block of pages to the cover, be sure to add some distress ink on the borders, if you like the vintage look, of course. And if you want, this is the moment to add some sari silk on the inside of the cover. And now be careful, leave the spine free and add the block pages only on the right and on the left of the spine. When it's dry, we can add the inside of the cover. I embellish with the background from the kit, 2 pieces of cardboard, and now we can put them on the right and on the left of our cover. We can also embellish the spine, for example, if there is some mistake, we can cover it. And now it's time to embellish the front of the cover. I have a piece of a box, a piece of page from the kit, and a piece of embossed handmade paper. Glue everything together. And it's done. I hope you liked this video. Thank you so much for watching and bye!